Good morning and welcome to the shed number 2, aka the wife shed. This is obviously what she does in here. Lots of flowers and plants and stuff I don't understand. But I've been doing my electrics in here, and this is the light bulb we've been playing with, trying to get the turn that mains light bulb into a DC light bulb. And on the side, we have a switch. Turn that on, the light is on. Also down here we have a radio. And as you can see, it all works. It's not playing very much at the moment. There you go. Won't have one very long in case I copyright strike it. And this all comes in. So I've got power coming in from my shed, solar power, into here. This is straight from the battery, 24 volts, whatever the battery voltage is, protected by a fuse. And then it goes into this box here where you've got two DC to DC converters, one for 15 volts, which is for the light, one for 6 volts, which is for the radio, and that's it really. That's all protected and makes it look nice. If I can get the lid back on, I'll do that later so I don't break it. But yeah, so that's very simple wiring all around here to a light, down to a switch, and then along here to the radio. And that's what we've done. So she's happy, and because she's happy, I'm happy, because a happy wife is a happy life. And that's it, quick update, so bye for now.